So I came home from work today and there's this thing in the driveway. My dad brought over his part out 4Runner so we can start doing a 3/4 swap into his 94 extended cab truck. So supposedly this thing starts and runs and drives, but the frame is just rotten. So he claims he left a key under the floor mat. Let's see what we got. It's running. A little rough, but it runs. No check engine light. Probably give her a tune-up when we put her in. I think we're good. So meanwhile, I've been underneath here trying to get out I got all the 6 bell housing bolts, the 2 starter bolts, had to unbolt the tranny lines and some wiring to the trans and all that kind of jazz. And Dad's working on trying to get the computer out inside. He's had to take the glove box out and some other panels to get up to the engine computer, and we're having all kinds of fun. This truck is rotten, but hopefully we'll win the battle here shortly. So basically, getting the torque converter bolts out is impossible. I don't know how I'm supposed to get to them. I kind of want to punch a Toyota engineer in the face right now. So we're going medieval. Sawzall, cut. Sawzall, cut. Undid the bracket here on the bottom. We're just going to lift this out of the way. We're going to leave the torque converter attached. It's going to make a hell of a mess, but at this point I don't really care. We're going to yank that out of there. And we win. Sometimes you just got to get angry. So, unfortunately, we had to take the torque converter out with the engine because the bolts were so rounded off I couldn't get them off any other way, which made a heck of a mess. Half a bag of oil dry on the floor to pick up the tranny fluid, but the engine's hanging on the hoist. So, I mean, ultimately we win. Like, it was coming out. We weren't going to give it an option. So, now we just got to clean up the aftermath, which is horrible, you know. Tools everywhere, oils on the floor. Oliver, of course, wants to taste test all of them. It's probably not a good idea.